My best month to date was just over $20,000. A typical good day in the summer would be around $600 to upward of $1,000 day. Overall cost to get my business going was about $300 in tools and products. The first time I ever did this car, I was insanely nervous. Hi, I'm Tanner Coltrane, owner of Tan's Auto Detailing out in Vancouver, Washington. Come spend a day with me. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Right now it's about 10:06, heading to my client Doug's house. We're doing his Lamborghini Gallardo. He's getting ready to have it put away for winter. So I'm located out of Washougal, Washington. I service most of Vancouver, Portland area. And I saw a need for ceramic coating jobs because of the harsh weather the Pacific Northwest brings.
And everything's open. I'll be out a little bit.
Thank you. So this 2002 Lamborghini Gallardo. We're just doing a basic exterior, doing the basic wash out here, then bring it inside to add a boost to it to put some longevity on the 2-year ceramic coating that was previously applied last year. It's perfect for around here in the Pacific Northwest because ceramic coatings have what's called hydrophobic properties. So it means the water kind of beats and shoots off of it. So I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about. The first time I ever did this car, I was insanely nervous. If you break a certain piece of this car, the chances that you're gonna find a spare one is really, really slim. So we pulled the Lambo in. Now I'm going to do what's called a boost. Toughest part about running a car detailing business in the state of Washington is just dealing with the weather. February is really, really wet. March is really wet. December, you have to worry about it being wet and freezing cold. The way that I look at it is with running a business, you're constantly solving problems. I like to carry a pop-up tent in my van so that way if it does start raining, I just set up the pop-up tent and I can still finish the car for that day. At the end of the day, you and the customer both want the same thing. The customer wants their car done, and you as the business owner want to get paid. One of the biggest trends that I've seen constantly growing in the detailing industry is the presence on social media.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you did, make sure you like that button.
All the detailers on social media are trying to help out other detailers and other car enthusiasts, trying to get better, trying to speed up details, trying to get better both on the business side and the actual detailing aspect of things. One channel that I found early on that really helped me out was Detail Groove. The owner, Oscar, had a video that he published when I was kind of debating getting into car detailing.
I started off in my personal vehicle with a very small budget with very few tools and products. So buy what you can afford, grow your business, and over time, little by little, you'll make the upgrades to wherever you want to be.
And that's probably the best advice that I've ever gotten. So I honestly don't think I ever would have started if I didn't hear that. My best month to date was July of 2022 at just over $20,000. So that month was really stressful. I don't think I would do it again, at least not in that way. I kind of found out from that month that with running a business, you can't do it all on your own. If you try to, you're gonna be super stressed out, you're gonna be overworked, unorganized. It's much better to just outsource different areas of your business that you feel comfortable with other people running and grow it from there, and don't try to do it all yourself. One misconception that I see a lot of people make about car detailing is they think it's just a car wash or it's a lot easier than it actually is, when reality, detailers are going over every single lug nut. that's in a car, every nook and cranny, make sure the whole car is brought as much back to life as you can. So I have a marketing team that handles my SEO, which is search engine optimization. That's going to be #1 crucial thing for any business, not just detailing. Pretty much just ranks your website on the first page of Google. So if you go on Google and you type in car detailers near me, the ranking is mostly what's gonna justify your lead count. I do post ads occasionally on Google Ads, Facebook ads, Nextdoor and Craigslist, but not so much anymore because I have a pretty strong client base and my ranking in my area on Google is pretty good. I always keep the bigger picture in mind and think back to when I first started, when I was detailing out of a 2001 Expedition, kind of seeing where I started and where I'm at now. When I got my newest van and upgraded some of my equipment, I posted a video on Instagram of it, and one of my friends that actually initially when I was first starting out helped me out a lot, sent me a message and said, I can't believe that you're bringing our vision to life. We always talked about someday getting a van and having employees and having a legitimate business, and you're actually making it all come to life. I'm really proud of you. And thinking back to his words saying that definitely motivates me moving forward and helps me keep my head high and keep the vision in sight. I chose to be mobile over running a shop because the leases for shops are really, really expensive, and I get to see new places every day, meet new people. I don't go to the same place and kind of feel repetitive. For me, with my mobile car detailing business, I want to branch out and get multiple fleets going, get multiple locations going in different states, hire on more people, simplify the process down, and have an easy rinse and repeat process set up where I can keep opening up new locations as I move forward.